Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're forming an LLC, one of the first questions is whether it will be a single-member LLC or a multi-member LLC. The difference might seem obvious, one owner versus multiple owners, but there are some real distinctions in how they're taxed and managed. Let's break it down. A single-member LLC has one owner. For tax purposes, the IRS treats it as a disregarded entity by default. That means the LLC itself doesn't file a separate tax return. Instead, all of the income and expenses flow through to your personal tax return on Schedule C. You pay self-employment tax on the net profit just like a sole proprietor. The LLC still provides liability protection, but from a tax perspective, it's like the business and you are the same. On the other hand, a multi-member LLC has two or more owners called members. By default, the IRS treats it as a partnership. The LLC files an informational return, Form 1065, and issues a Schedule K-1 to each member showing their share of income, deductions, and credits. Each member then reports their K-1 on the personal tax return. Members pay self-employment tax on their share of the profits, with some exceptions for limited partners. Now here's where it gets interesting. Both single-member and multi-member LLCs can elect to be taxed differently. Either type can elect S-Corp taxation, which can save on self-employment taxes if the business is profitable enough. And either type can elect C-Corp taxation, though it's less common for small businesses. From a management perspective, single-member LLCs are simpler. You make all the decisions and there's no need to coordinate with partners. Multi-member LLCs require more structure. You need an operating agreement that spells out ownership percentages, profit sharing, decision-making authority, and what happens if the member wants out. One thing to watch with multi-member LLCs, adding a member to a single-member LLC changes its tax classification. It goes from a disregarded entity to a partnership, which has different filing requirements. Make sure you understand the implications before bringing on a partner. Whether you go single-member or multi-member depends on your situation. If you're starting solo, a single-member LLC keeps things simple. If you have partners, a multi-member LLC with solid operating agreement protects everyone. Talk to your attorney or tax advisor and make sure you're set up correctly from the start. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.